Hawaii is one of 7 states without a human trafficking state law or any laws that make human trafficking a felony. But a bill addressing this issue now awaits Governor Linda Lingle's signature. Critics of the measure say it could essentially make adult entertainment clubs illegal. KITV4's Joe Kuramoto takes a look at both sides of the issue. Joe, what was the intent of the bill?
Well, Paula, the intent is to toughen up prostitution laws that some say don't adequately address the problem of sexual human trafficking and is only getting worse in Hawaii. But critics say the bill pits good intention against legal strip clubs.
Tourists are aware of it. More social services are aware of it. Even patrol officers are becoming aware of it, but nobody knows what to do.
Catherine Jean of the Pacific Alliance to Stop Slavery says the Honolulu Police Department in 2008 saw 15 children a month as high-risk victims for human trafficking. And she says these victims are not the same as prostitutes.
Sex trafficking victims are coerced, enticed, manipulated, forced into sexual slavery.
Senate Bill 2045 defines and targets the trafficker and makes it a felony if convicted.
This bill would allow law enforcement, for one, an easier time to be able to identify victims as victims rather than prostitutes or, if they're underage, truants or juvenile delinquents.
If you read what's written there, the bill does in fact create felonies out of what are legal activities.
The bill states a person commits the offense of sexual human trafficking if they knowingly profit from sexually explicit activity, which is defined as an erotic or nude massager or dancer, and entices or transports any prostituted person. Bill critic Tracy Ryan says that would make legal strip clubs who post want ads in violation, or anyone who gives a ride to a strip club employee.
Transportation can be any distance, so giving someone a ride home from work could make you a felon.
Those against the bill say instead of longer sentences for accused pimps, the solution is more funding toward improving social services. The city prosecutor is on the record against the bill, saying laws are already on the books to address this problem.
All that we can assume is that they have a very narrow view of what the problem is on the streets.
Now, bill supporters say the definition of a sexual human trafficker is very specific, and they say if the governor does veto the bill, they plan to raise the issue again next legislative session. Reporting from the newsroom, Jill Kuramoto, KITV4 News.